we're getting the visuals of him arriving there. Pragya, just a moment. He has just arrived at the BJP headquarters where you're at as well. And before he comes in there, as his vehicle enters, we can see petals being showered on him. The top leaders of the party will be welcoming him as well. So it's a grand welcome that's being accorded to him. Mohit, we're seeing the visuals from the BJP headquarters where the leaders are welcoming Nitin Nabin as he has just arrived.
Well, yes, in fact, and you can see Pratibha in these visuals, Nitin Nabin has reached BJP headquarters and he's being welcomed by the top leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he's going towards the other side, other gate, where he will be welcomed by JP Nadda, the incumbent president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And it's a historical generational shift that we are witnessing over here, that somebody who is very young, who is 45 years of age, who has worked on the ground for the Bharatiya Janata Party, has been given such an important position that he is being appointed as the working president, national working president of the BJP. Look at these visuals over here. That flowers are being, rose petals are being showered on Nitin Nabin. Some workers have come with a gamcha from Bihar, and this is an iconic picture that how exactly Bihar, which has given 202 seats to the NDA, from Bihar, we see the next working president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So clearly what we see is that it's a historical moment. Earlier we have seen that how when it comes to the appointment of the Bharatiya Janata Party presidents or the other leaders, it was being always speculated that it will be somebody who has worked at the center, it will be somebody who is very senior. But this is the message that BJP has given, and BJP and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have always been unpredictable when it comes to politics. So what we see is that how they're all there. Nitin Nabin is being welcomed over here. We'll try to speak to people and what exactly they have to say on this particular issue, and we'll try to move towards that side. We can see that how the senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party are also here. Now we know that how from here, Nitin Nabin will be going inside. There will be a felicitation program over there, and I propose that he will be meeting JP Nadda. One-on-one meeting is likely to take place, and for next few days he might stay in Delhi. So somebody who has the experience of working in the government, has been a minister, five-time MLA, and you see that we have Tejasvi Surya. We tried to speak to Tejasvi Surya. Tejasvi sir. Tejasvi sir, you are the
brother, later. I'm just
one message you want to give today.
Not at this time.
Historic day. Yeah. So there you see Tejasvi Surya, member of parliament, and also the chief of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha is also here, because remember Nitin Nabin has been the General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, and perhaps that is why for the youth, for the connection with the youth, this particular decision is being taken. So these are the scenes from here. We have few people over here. We'll try to speak to them. Well, Pratibha, can you hear me?
Yes, Mohit, go on.
एक सेकंड
All right, he has just entered there, and in the visuals we can see the Home Minister Amit Shah and JP Nadda leading him. Pragya, over to you.
Absolutely, Pratibha. This is also a generational transition in BJP, and this is a very, very historic and significant moment as far as BJP is concerned. Remember, there are many senior leaders who have been here on this particular post, be it Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This post is very important. It gives the vision in which also the direction in which party will go. And in fact, if Mr. Nitin Nabin has been trusted with this leadership, many believe that he will, in fact, lead the way of the BJP cadre as well. One of the most important points that went in favor of Mr. Nitin Nabin being working president, national president of BJP, is that he is very accessible. He is a neta of the ground, and he has known the organization. His roots go back to the Jansangh. His father was a Jansangh leader. In fact, he knows the organization since his childhood, and also he knows the way how the top leadership of BJP works. Remember, a very tough assignment was given to him during Chhattisgarh election, and he delivered on that. And in fact, this also drew attention to him of the top leadership. But we are also given to understand that Mr. Nitin Nabin, being a Yuva Neta also, he has that kind of traction within the young leaders, within the young party cadre also. And if you can see the kind of crowd that we see today in party office, it is it is mostly the youngsters, and in fact everyone is seeing hope as far as their role in the party is concerned, and they would believe, in fact many are of the opinion that this is a time where there will be a generational shift, and there will be a time where their role will also be acknowledged. And in fact the fresh team of Mr. Nitin Nabin will also give a fresh lease of life to BJP, and also a freshness when it comes to the party matters. In fact, there had been a very long grudge of many of the party members that they are not being heard by the senior leaders, by ministers, and this is why these many changes have been made in the organization by the top leadership, be it Minister of State sitting in the party office from 9:30 to 5:30 to address the grievances, all to take into cognizance what the party cadre is to say, and now Nitin Nabin, and he is truly an organization man. In fact our past experiences, we had interactions with him as well. He knew each and every task that he was given, and organization, the issues, he knew it very well. He is a young, fresh blood, and in fact that is the kind of sense that BJP wanted to give to its cadre. They need some freshness, and this is exactly why Mr. Nitin Nabin, with all the organizational background, has become the choice for the National Working President. We are given to understand that he will be working with Mr. Nadda. Remember, this working president arrangement started with Mr. Nadda when in 2019 he was announced as the working president. Earlier there was no such trend in BJP to make a working president, but it also gave Mr. Nadda a sense of the organizational workings. Despite the fact that he was a thorough organization man, it also gave him a sense of how to work according to the plan and the vision of the top leadership. And in fact this is exactly the reason why this time also Mr. Nitin Nabin has been appointed National Working President. We are given to understand he is going to officially take charge in some time, and till then Mr. Nadda will be National President. But this is also transition as far as BJP is concerned, Pratibha, and it's a very joyous movement for many, especially youngsters in the BJP, and many of the senior leaders also believe that this was a much needed change that BJP required, and the freshness that the work and the dedication of Mr. Nitin Nabin will bring to the party workings is gonna set the tone for BJP's future as far as the future elections and future of the country and Viksit Bharat scheme is concerned. He knows the party schemes, he knows the mind of the the top leadership, and that is very, very important as far as this post of National President is concerned, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. And Pragya, for the decision of how the BJP came up with Nitin Nabin's elevation, the party also, sources suggesting that while he is seen as a young leader, he is just 45 years old, and he has been with the organization for a long time and he has experience. So he is a leader who is seen as a young and emerging leader, but also somebody who has a lot of experience because he has been with the organization for many years. He has been co-in charge of Chhattisgarh. He has been MLA multiple times, and he has also served as a minister in Bihar, isn't it? So he does have organizational experience, administrative experience as well that he will be bringing to the table.
Absolutely, Pratibha. Despite his age, he has a very strong organizational sense of workings and backgrounds and experience as well. He's a 5-time MLA, and also his family also has started working in the party from Johnson days. And not just that, he has a 2-decade experience in organizational workings. In fact, he has worked as a BJP Yuva in BJP's Yuva Morcha team under Mr. Anurag Thakur when he was the president of Yuva Morcha. He was general secretary of that team. He became Bihar Yuva Morcha president as well, and he was given a charge of in charge of Chhattisgarh. And after that, looking at the experience and also that the party did with him, he was given a full charge of Chhattisgarh, and he delivered. In fact, the kind of acumen he has and the kind of ears and eyes he has to the ground and to the cause and the people's issue, it also in his favor. And this is exactly the reason why BJP believes that such a leader would also, give a freshness to the workings of the party, and not just that. He is the first leader from the eastern Bihar. So that kind of acknowledgement that has come, by the top leadership to the Bihar, especially after the recent result, the mandate that Bihar gave, it is also seemed befitting to have someone from Bihar, but especially eastern Bihar. But having said that, Pratibha, everyone in the party, from junior to senior, everyone has worked in and around Mr. Nitin Nabin, and he's a very gentle, he's very accessible, and he would pick up your call and he will talk to you and give you, if you want to understand.
While we were in Bihar during the elections as well, he was one of the most accessible leaders, and that's what every journalist is talking about as well, how he has been so accessible. He has been working extensively on the ground, talking about the schemes of the government, and this is an issue that's very close to the heart of the Prime Minister on ensuring last mile connectivity for the schemes that are introduced by the government. And this is very important. He also described him as somebody who is humble and also very grounded as well, isn't it? Also, Pragya, today, now that we see Nitin Nabin has come to the BJP headquarters, is there going to be an address? What's the itinerary plan for the day?
What we are given to understand that this is a welcome ceremony that they are going to host. Obviously, a few words will be said by Mr. Nadda and Mr. Nabin also is what we are given to understand. But we'll look at, ways how the top leadership will also be seated here. But, having said that, this is also, the party has consciously decided that the focus is going to be on Mr. Nitin Nabin. He is the person, he is the man of the moment, and that is why, his presence in the party office is very much required. The day he was announced, appointed as national working president, it was it was a given that he would come to the party office and take the charge as the working national president. Obviously, Mr. Nadda is going to be present there, being he is still the national president, but also predecessor when he becomes the national president. So he is going to be there. Whatever they say will also pave the way, will also give a hint as to what the new team would look like. Pratibha, very important. Every national president works with the team, and how he takes the team together and how the team delivers will also reflect on his working and also the future of the party as far as government is concerned, as far as party is concerned. So, which becomes very important. So, all eyes will be on who are going to find place in that new team. But that is for some time. We are given to understand that this is also a sort of training period. Like I said, that working president, only started with Mr. Naddaji, and the experiment worked very well with the BJP, and this is why it has been repeated again with Mr. Nitin Nabin. He may be young, but he has a strong organizational sense, acumen. He had been a minister where several ministries of importance were given to him, and he delivered. Administrative experience also counted when factoring in the name of Mr. Nitin Nabin, we are given to understand. And I would also say that RSS also agreed on the name, is what many sources have told us. So it's a win-win situation for everyone around here, but also a very a new experiment, I would say. And as Prime Minister have been saying that we need new young blood when it comes to politics, it looks like that BJP has started it from its own home. So what Prime Minister said is not just a statement and for others to emulate, but he wants it to be started from home, and that is the reason why a youngster has become a national working president of the BJP and is soon going to be a full-time national president. Pratibha.
Okay, all right. And we are looking at the live visuals. He is being felicitated by the leaders of the party, including, of course, the Home Minister Amit Shah, the BJP current national president JP Nadda, other top leaders, including Giriraj Singh as well. All the leaders there in the BJP headquarters. This is a big moment because the party is seeing a pivotal shift. Mohit also is live with us, and Mohit, the timing is also very important and also very interesting because Nitin Nabin has his task cut out. In just a few months from now, we're going to see some very challenging states for the BJP that are going into elections.
Well, yes, in fact, Pratibha, and that is why, Pratibha, since yesterday I've been saying that we cannot call this as an experiment. This is a tactical step that has been taken by the BJP. They know that Nitin Nabin is somebody who has walked on the ground, who has the organizational experience, and the task that has been always given to him, he has completed that. So we cannot call it an experience. BJP is a party which will not go for an experience when it comes to the election of the national president. So BJP knows, and he is somebody, and what we are being told by our sources is that his name came forward because of his experience. He has worked on the ground in Chhattisgarh, in Sikkim, and we know that how whatever duty was being given to him, he has fulfilled that, and perhaps that is why he has earned the praise and trust of the top leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, when it comes to your question that yes, he has a tough task ahead, and he has to take party forward in those elections where BJP mainly is not in power, be it the state of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Assam. BJP is in power, but Assam elections will also be very interesting and tough for the Bharatiya Janata Party. So he has a tough task ahead. We'll get to know in the short span of time that what exactly he does or what exactly his capabilities are. But yes, when it comes to the organization, he has worked on the ground. Whatever duties have been given to him, he has always kept low profile. That also works for him, that he has always worked as a low profile, and perhaps that is why, remember, when he was the Chhattisgarh co-in charge, BJP won the assembly election. Post that he was given the full charge of the Lok Sabha elections for Chhattisgarh. BJP won 10 out of 11 seats. So he has performed well. He has delivered, and perhaps that is why this particular decision is being taken. Now, from now on, the real task would be that how exactly he coordinates with the people on the ground, how he coordinates with the state unit, and how exactly the BJP goes forward when it comes to the assembly election. Because remember, the crucial states of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam, they all will go for elections next year, and we will we know for a fact that these are tough states for the BJP. It's a tough nut to crack for the BJP, and perhaps that is why what we will see is that it will be a tough job for Nitin Nabin. But as of now, he is the national working president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. It's a historical shift in the BJP. It's a historical moment. 45 years old person is being made the national president.